I'm trying a new gadget. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. There is a new gadget in my household. It's a vibration plate. It's actually not mine, but I thought why not give it a try and take you along with me. This week I'll be sharing the benefits, how to use it, different ways to incorporate into your lifestyle, and important safety tips, including who should not use it from my own experience too. A vibration plate is a flat platform that vibrates rapidly to stimulate your muscles. You can stand, sit, do squats, or even stretch on it. The idea is that the vibration plate activates more muscle fibers than regular exercise without you even realizing it. So what are the benefits? According to research and user experience, increased muscle activation. You engage more muscles without high-impact moves. Improves circulation. The vibrations help stimulate blood flow. Better balance and coordination, especially useful for older adults. Lymphatic drainage and detox support. Great for reducing puffiness and swelling. Improved bone density, particularly helpful for women in midlife and beyond. Joint and back pain relief, when used in gentle, controlled ways. Time saving, just 10 minutes a day may be enough. Some people also use it to reduce cellulite, support weight loss, and recover from workout. Although some others say, no, it doesn't help with the weight loss. You can use vibration plate in so many ways, so these are what I tried. Standing, for balance training and gentle activation. I could really feel the lower body shaking. I tried different poses to feel different areas moving. Squats or lunges for deeper muscle burn. I did the squats and it was definitely more challenging to do them on a vibrating platform. It's totally irrelevant, but what I'm wearing matches the colors of the background. I also stood in different positions. I call this assisted twerking. I did heel lift and toe lifts and almost fell. I did stationary squats. Then I lifted one foot and stood on one leg. I thought these will definitely work on your balance. I even did some weights and I was proud of myself. The lower back massage with fists felt good with extra vibrations that I cannot produce myself. The easy way to massage your lower back is to place your fists or thumbs and bend your torso to the sides, instead of making your hands work hard. Sitting, great for circulation in the legs. I sat in different ways, with and without hand support. I found that if I use my hands, the vibration comes up to my head and I couldn't do it. Plank or push-ups, for core and arm strengthening. I tried with keeping my arms straight and resting my forearm, but they were both hard for me because the vibration was giving me headache, although the upper back muscles were stimulated nicely as you can see, and I wanted to love it. I actually liked resting my hands behind me. This was working on my pecs in the front, but resting my elbows and doing the reverse plank caused too much vibrations to my head. Stretching or massage. sit or lie down with body parts resting on the plate. For my back, this was my favorite setting with cushions on both sides. These cushions had the perfect height. I also did different parts of my leg, which helps with tired legs. This can be a nice foot massager sitting. I did some heel and toe lifts while sitting too. Start slow, just 1 to 2 minutes per position. I'm still experimenting, but for me, whenever the vibration comes to my head, it was too much, even at the lowest settings. Maybe because I have weak neck. I thought maybe it will help loosen my neck, but it didn't. It was just too much. And I was feeling kind of dizzy for a while. But whenever my head wasn't shaking too much, it felt good. In fact, I felt so relaxed and I had to take a nap after using this. Of course, it's not for everyone. Here are people who should avoid using the vibration plate, or at least consult a doctor first. Pregnant individuals, people with pacemakers or serious heart conditions, those with recent surgeries or implants, like joint replacements, anyone with hairline fractures or healing bone injuries, anyone with severe osteoporosis, people prone to black clots or deep vein thrombosis, those with migraines triggered by vibrations. If you are unsure, please check with medical professionals first before using the vibration plate. If you already have a vibration plate, please share in the comments below how you use it. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.